Hi everyone, let's solve this simple problem very quickly. We have 2 log open bracket x plus 1 equal to 2. Now we can actually divide both sides by 2. If I do this, divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, this will cancel this. We have that log open bracket x plus 1 is equal to 1, right? Remember that this is a base 10 because any number without a base is automatically, any logarithm without a base is automatically in base 10. Now, if you want to relate this to indices, you can say that x plus 1 is equal to 10 to the power 1, meaning that x plus 1 is equal to 10 and that x is equal to 10 minus 1, meaning that x is equal to 9. This is correct but not fully correct. This is correct but not fully correct. Now remember that if you have 2 log open bracket x plus 1 equal to 2, it means that you have log x plus 1 to the power of 2 equal to 2, because whatever you have in front is actually the power of the log that you have. So now this is what it means, but remember that this is still to base 10. And then if you relate this to indices like I did before, then we're going to have x plus 1 all squared equal to 10 to the power of 2. And what is 10 to the power of 2? 10 to the power 2 is 100, right? Now there's another method I want to use. Remember, we can work with the powers, work with the bases, right? But it won't give us it will not give us a complete solution. What do? I'm going to expand the left hand side, so I have x plus 1 into x plus 1, which will give us 100. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to multiply x times 1, that will give x squared. Then this is x, then x times 1, that will give us plus 1x, then 1 times x, that will give us another plus x, then 1 times 1, that will give plus 1, which will be equal to 100, right? Then if we proceed, we will have x squared plus 2x plus 1 to be equal to 100. If I collect like terms or bring 100 to the other side, I will have x squared plus 2x minus 99 to be equal to 0, because it's going to be 1 minus 100, which will give us minus 99. And now the next question is, what 2 numbers do you multiply to have minus 99? Then you add the both of them to have plus 2. The 2 numbers will be minus 9 and plus 11. So I'm going to write x squared plus, in place of 2x, I'm going to write, it's going to be negative first. I'm going to write negative 9x, then plus 11x. Then I have minus 99, which will be equal to 0. This is because minus 9x plus 11x will give us plus 2x. Now the next thing to be done is to group it into 2 and then we factorize. So if I factorize these first 2, I'll have x to be their common factor. Then I have x in the brackets because 1x will be here. Then this negative 9 will appear. Then in the other bracket, I'm going to have 11 as their common factor. Then this x will be in the bracket. Minus 11 into 99 is actually 9. And this will both be equal to 0. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to group it into 2. X plus 11 will be on its own. Then I'll pick one of these as a common factor, which is x minus 9. This will be equal to 0. Then this also means that it is either x plus 11 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Then if you compare this, it means that x is equal to 0 minus 11, and that will give minus 11, or x is equal to 0 plus 9, and that will give plus 9. So therefore, we can conclude that x is equal to minus 11 or plus 9. But the method we